Your car's engine is like the heart of your vehicle. When it runs smoothly, everything feels right. Engine knocking is considered very bad for the engine. In this video, we are going to discuss the most common causes of engine knocking. Engine knocking occurs when the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber ignites prematurely, or in an uncontrolled manner. During the combustion process, the air-fuel mixture should burn evenly, creating a controlled explosion that powers your engine. However, the uneven combustion process leads to engine knocking. Causes of engine knocking. 1. Low-octane fuel. Octane rating is a measure of a fuel's ability to resist knocking. When low-octane fuel is used in an engine that requires higher octane, the fuel-air mixture may ignite before the spark plug fires, leading to knocking. This occurs because lower-octane fuel has a lower resistance to compression, allowing it to ignite prematurely under the high pressure and temperature conditions inside the combustion chamber. 2. Incorrect ignition timing. Ignition timing refers to the precise moment when the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. If the ignition timing is too advanced, the air-fuel mixture may ignite before the piston reaches the top of its compression stroke. This premature ignition can cause a rapid increase in pressure and temperature inside the cylinder, leading to knocking. 3. Carbon deposits. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate on the surfaces inside the combustion chamber. Carbon deposits act as thermal insulators, trapping heat and raising the temperature of the surrounding air-fuel mixture. When the air-fuel mixture ignites prematurely due to excessive carbon buildup, it can cause knocking. 4. Engine overheating. Excessive engine temperatures can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite prematurely, leading to knocking. This can be due to issues such as a malfunctioning cooling system, or running the engine under heavy loads for prolonged periods. 5. Worn piston rings. Worn piston rings or bearings can lead to poor sealing of the combustion chamber, allowing the air-fuel mixture to leak past the piston rings into the crankcase. This can result in incomplete combustion and irregular pressure fluctuations inside the cylinder, leading to knocking. 6. Faulty knock sensor. Modern vehicles are equipped with knock sensors that detect abnormal combustion, allowing the engine control unit to adjust ignition timing and prevent knocking. A faulty knock sensor may not accurately detect knocking, leading to inadequate adjustments by the engine control unit and persistent knocking. 7. Excessive engine load. Operating the engine under heavy loads, such as towing heavy trailers or driving uphill at high speeds, can increase combustion temperatures and pressures, making knocking more likely. Excessive engine load can result in higher cylinder pressures and temperatures, especially if the engine is not adequately cooled or lubricated. 8. Worn spark plug. A faulty spark plug may not produce a consistent or strong spark at the correct time. This can result in erratic combustion timing, where the air-fuel mixture ignites at the wrong point in the engine cycle. Inconsistent combustion timing can lead to increased cylinder pressures and temperatures, contributing to engine knocking. 9. Mechanical issues. Engine knocking can also result from various mechanical problems, such as a loose connecting rod, damaged piston, or excessive crankshaft end play. These issues can cause abnormal vibrations and movements within the engine, leading to knocking sounds. If you notice engine knocking, it is essential to address it promptly. By addressing the root cause and performing necessary maintenance, you can effectively fix engine knocking. Remember, if you are unsure about how to fix engine knocking, it is best to consult with a professional mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair.